Hey kids, for this lesson, you'll need to make sure you have this capitalization page glued into your notebook, wherever you're gluing these. This lesson's a little bit shorter. I just want to tell you how this page is laid out, and it gives the examples, and we will actually spend a little more time on the chart in your resource notebook. So as you look, it says when to capitalize, proper person, place, thing, etc. And then it gives you examples of different ways that might look. Named events, brands, I words, these are kind of the big ones that at this time I really expect you to know those. Holidays, languages, cities, names, pretty much everything on here is something that you should know to capitalize as you are writing. Generally speaking, there's probably one of these that you may struggle with more than the others. If you open your notebooks, take a look at where you have your I's, I'm, Ives, and I'les. If those are not being capitalized, that is the one that I want for you to focus on more than anything else. So that's how this table works. It's actually more of a reference page. So take a look in your writing, maybe pick one and see if you have any of those in what you are currently doing. Thanks.